So it's not just that you're earning points for every transaction that you have, which is a cryptocurrency, a token that you can also swap later on into real dollars, but you're helping conserve planet Earth. But not just that, you're actually going to go to a place that you're actually spending on a normal basis because it's in this Web3 ecosystem. You get rewarded, you help planet Earth, and a charity, a church, a club of your choice also gets to have funding and revenue based on what you're doing. People always talk about use cases for crypto, real applications for it, or onboarding the next billion users. When you talk to any cryptocurrency investor, they always talk about that. This should go beyond speculation or just people hoping that it's gonna go up. The only way for this to gain mainstream adoption is that there's an actual use case for it. That people are not just getting into a particular token, coin, or project just for the hope that somehow, some way it would go up. That's what I believe also would make tokens and coins sustainable, is that there is a actual use case and a demand for it as well. In this video, I want to talk about Erth Points. You can check them out at earthpoints.com, and they also have an app which you can actually download via the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, which they bring a very, very interesting element on how they marry cryptocurrencies, Web3, apps, consumer spending, helping the environment, or donating to a cause, a charity, or a church that you actually believe in. Everything that we've seen right now has been in Australia. That's where the app has been initially rolled out. And Australia is a very good template on how this works and how it could possibly benefit not just the environment, customers, and brands as a whole. Now, for those who want to study the project even more, they're gonna scale this in Q1 2023, and as they expand to new countries, this would increase the expectation of increased trading volumes around the world. So first things first, you need to have the app because all of the action is taking place in the app. When you have the app, they have a list of brands that they are partnered with. And what's interesting about that is every time you shop in those brands and you get Erth tokens, but not just that, every time you transact, you earn Erth tokens. You also help planet Earth because a portion of the rewards also would go to the Rewards for Earth Foundation, which the main heart and goal of it is to help preserve and save planet Earth as well. But above and beyond that, a portion of it also will go to a charity of choice, your church, a club, or a charity of your choosing. So it's not just that you're earning points for every transaction that you have, which is a cryptocurrency, a token that you can also swap later on into real dollars, but you're helping conserve planet Earth. But not just that, you're actually gonna go to a place that you're actually spending on a normal basis because it's in this Web3 ecosystem. You get rewarded, you help planet Earth, and a charity, a church, a club of your choice also gets to have funding and revenue based on what you're doing. How can I get access to the coin, especially if I'm not in Australia and I don't get to use the app yet? So what's interesting about crypto is a global network, and it gives you also the ability to be able to take part of the tokens as long as you have accounts in certain exchanges. So for rewards for Erth, they are in 3 platforms. One is xt.com, second is CoinStore, and the third one is P2B. Those are the platforms/exchanges on where you could have access to the token of rewards for Erth. I want to stress this, and I think that this is something that makes it very interesting and unique as compared to other projects that are highly connected to DeFi or GameFi or PFP NFT projects. Erth Points that are gifted, that are part of every purchase from the brands and the businesses that would sponsor in the app, that this is a big impact on the environment. And it's not just you earning points, but you are helping in an ecosystem that's trying to also change the world, that's trying to do something to make the world a better place. You may actually ask yourself also, where will the rewards be coming from? Because at the end of the day, if you're getting something, there must be someone who's actually paying for it. Now, the answer to that is basically this. all of those brands that I mentioned, they're actually paying because they're being marketed in the app as well. So if you try to understand this and you try to analyze it well, more people that will actually use the app, it will increase traffic in the app. As it increases traffic in the app, more advertisers will come, or the rates for ads will increase. It's just basically supply and demand, and it becomes an ecosystem and a loop where the cryptocurrency or the token is something that's relatively sustainable. If you're watching this, especially if you're from Australia, what this actually does is, if you're actually spending, buying in those brands, might as well use this app, because as you use the app, you get rewarded. But it's not just you that gets rewarded. Clubs, charities, foundations, churches get rewarded as well. You also get to preserve and save the earth as a whole. I want to give you 3 points on what makes this project very unique. Number 1, it has sustainability. Rewards for Earth was one of the first projects created that give back. With every purchase you make, you select your preferred nonprofit organization, and for every purchase that you make, that organization earns Erth Points. You can also offset your own carbon footprints by giving back to a sustainable cause when you purchase gas, petrol, or any of your passion projects. Number 2 is opportunity. Rewards for Earth has partnered with some of the largest companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Sephora, eBay, Airbnb, and Oakley. The money that everyone already spends that you can use to earn points. Number 3 is solutions-based. It enables every business and person to offset their environmental damage they cause in Australia Pacific, provides business and sales. If you want to know more about the project, I'll put links down below on their website. If you want to check out their app, they're available in the Apple App Store and Google Play. I'll put links down below also on how you can access them and check them out. So over and over, the heart and the goal of this entire project, you have the ability to earn, brands have the ability to be seen. It addresses pain points to repair the environment. I think that's very interesting because we only have one planet. We also have generations that will come after us. This is something that speaks to me also because I'm a father. I'm a father of a 6-month-old daughter, and it's not just about me also thinking about the current situation right now. I want to be part of something that, as we usher in their generation, they know that we did something that they would have better opportunities and the world would be a better place, and that whatever problems that we have in the environment right now would be addressed. That's it for now. Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.